Chief Minister Conrad Sangma had inaugurated the new office building of the Directorate of Community and Rural Development at Lower Lachumiere, Shillong, in the presence of C&Rd Minister Sosthenes Sohtun, Chief Secretary Dr. Shakil P. Ahammed, Principal Secretary Sampath Kumar and Director SC Sadhu. In his address, the Chief Minister said the department played a crucial role in the economic and social uplift of rural areas. He remarked that the C&Rd department had been performing well with committed and focused efforts in delivering schemes and welfare projects that positively impacted village communities. Congratulating the department on the new building, he noted that while infrastructure aided efficient functioning, it was the dedication of the people working within the system that truly made a difference. He concluded by reminding that nearly 80% of the state's population depended on the work of the C&Rd department and urged upon officials to continue serving with the same commitment and dedication.
I first of all would like to take this opportunity to congratulate all of you on this very important, historic and a very momentous occasion, and would especially like to congratulate Honorable Minister, Principal Secretary and Director who have been instrumental in making sure that this building was conceptualized, and more importantly, it was completed at a very fast pace. And we are all here today to finally inaugurate it. Just a few things which I would like to share with all of you. Of course, it's again regarding the way the department has worked. And if you look at the history of the department, whether it was the NGNRGS scheme, you saw almost a threefold jump in MGNRGS implementation and the overall utilization of funds. If you look at NRLM, again you've seen maybe almost 20 times growth in the funds in NRLM utilization. If you look at PMAY, I think it's like even much more. I don't know how much percentage. So what has changed? You have to ask yourself this question. It's the same scheme, same guidelines, and the same people working. But suddenly you see that there is a threefold, tenfold, 100-fold increase in the fund utilization. And I keep repeating this to everybody, that what has changed is the mindset. That's somewhere along the line, all of you have started to commit, recommit, focus, and really believe that the C&Rd department can deliver what it is supposed to deliver. And some kind of this magic that has happened within the department, and this motivation with which you have worked, with the same schemes, as I said, the same guidelines, the same infrastructure till now, the same infrastructure you had and the same people, and you are performing 100 times more than what was there before. And I think this is a great example of what a team can do when it truly believes in something, it truly puts a purpose ahead of everything else that you have and says, we're going to do this, we're going to move ahead, we're going to work day and night, and we're going to make a difference in people's lives. And I think this is really the success story. It's not about this building. Many departments have got many buildings.